All neighbors will have territorial challenges. All neighbors, even Canada and US has territorial dispute कि हमारा है. Naturally, आप घर बनाओगे कहीं पे भी, बगल वाले का पेड़ आपके अंदर आएगा, उसका फल इधर चला गया, ये डिबेट तो होता रहेगा. In some cases, it's going to be massive, like it happened in Mahabharat. For land only, it happened, no? For territory. What else was the Mahabharat for? It was for territory.
Correct.
ये मेरे को ये इलाका चाहिए, मेरे को ये इलाका चाहिए, गांव भी नहीं, 10 गांव भी नहीं दूंगा, whatever it may be. So it is always spot on resources. So these two blocks start. And at this point, the US wants to keep tabs on Soviet Union. And उसके लिए उनको दो चीजें चाहिए. एक चाहिए listening posts. And listening posts have to be as close to the Soviet Union border as possible. But any country who puts listening post in another country, that country is losing its sovereignty. क्योंकि अगर अमेरिका आके बोलता है हम श्रीनगर में हम अपना पोस्ट बनाएंगे, लिसनिंग पोस्ट, जो रशिया को हम सुनना चाहते हैं, तो द इंडियन गवर्नमेंट हैज टू एग्री टू दैट कि ओके सर, आप आके बनाइए यहाँ पे. सो द ओनली गवर्नमेंट विच एग्रीज टू दिस इज पाकिस्तान. सो दे नीड द पाकिस्तानी listening post. The second thing they needed was the U-2 bases. So they had aircraft, we still have stealth aircraft called the U-2, which is today called the stealth bomber, but it is also a reconnaissance aircraft. It can go to 40,000 feet and once it can. Those days, no satellites have come up as yet. So these aircrafts have to do, and these bases were based in Pakistan.